What?
What'd you do?
Did you forget?
Oh.
I forgot to chuck it under my pillow.
What happened? Oh my goodness, what is that?
You open it.
What did that tooth fairy bring you?
Why is Tyler? Tyler, come back here. $1? What else?
And look what's under it.
Ooh, what's the other one?
Okay. Let me just.
Where did all of those come from? Oh my goodness, $2?
You're rich.
$2. What else? What else?
What is it?
Okay.
$3.
Oh.
Where? $4. Whoa! What is that for?
What's this?
Is that what happened to your tooth?
What's this?
Why is there money under your pillow? What happened last night?
I don't know either.
Let me smile at the camera, Tyler. What's missing out of your smile?
Okay, let this.
A tooth?
Uh-huh.
Well, what'd you do with the tooth?
Put it under my pillow.
And who came?
And the next morning, my tooth was gone. And money.
Well, who came?
The tooth fairy.
The tooth fairy?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh my, and
know
she
it's
gave you
yours.
$4?
Can I buy anything with it?
Yeah, it's your money.
That's what happened to your teeth.
Do I have enough money to buy anything big?
I don't know. We'll have to see. You'll have to wait till after Christmas,
That must have
though.
been a pretty nice tooth.
That's a lot.
What?
That's
I can buy anything with this?
it's yours.
What?
Bessie, look. $4! And this money's bigger than your money's?
Yup.
Yeah, it sure is bigger than Mommy and Daddy's money right now.